the tea that he was talking about. Today on Food for Thought on CNBC TV 18, we are at the TWG brand outlet in New Delhi, where they offer the yellow gold tea bud for about 43,000 rupees only for 50 grams. This then makes it about 8,57,000 rupees for 1 kilogram, making it the most expensive and most rare tea in the world. Let's go see if Lao Tzu was right. TWG, or the Wellness Group, was established in Singapore in 2008 as a luxury concept and has one of the largest collections of tea in the world, with fine harvests from every tea producing country and especially blended tea blends. And they recently opened their doors in New Delhi, which is great for me because I get to taste the most expensive tea in the world. Hi Annapurna.
Hello.
So first and foremost, please tell me what makes this tea so expensive?
So the yellow gold tea buds is the rarest tea in the world because it's only harvested on one day in a year, yielding only few kilos. This special tea is lavished with 24 karat gold in it.
How did it come about?
The process of crafting this tea dates back to the 16th century when the tea used to be served at the imperial court of China. This tea used to be the favorite of the Chinese emperor, known for its bird tongue because of the flattened shape and unique flavor.
So it has a very earthy, a little flowery smell to it. So this is what more than 43,000 rupees looks like on a weighing scale. Now, Annapurna, let's see how this tea is made.
We heat the water up to 80 degrees Celsius and we take about 2.5 grams of the tea.
So if my math is right, 2.5 grams works out to about 2,100 rupees for a cup of tea.
The good thing with yellow tea is it can be infused as long as desired, so up to 15-20 minutes. And it doesn't get bitter. The leaves can be eaten after it's infused.
So while this tea is brewing, tell me where all is it sold?
This tea is sold exclusively at the TWG boutiques worldwide.
What kind of individual usually walks in and says, okay, I want the most expensive tea in the world?
Mostly the tea connoisseurs and the enthusiasts who have the subtle flavor for the single estate tea. Anyone who wants to experience an exceptional piece of craftsmanship.
Okay, I can't wait to try it now. Thank you very much. So it has a very fresh, earthy, floral aftertaste to it. I have to say, I love my job. Now the question is this your cup of tea? Think about that.